Hello friends, how are you all doing? This is Solia and today we are going to learn about what actually is a CSS and why do we need a CSS in our web page. First of all, CSS, what it stands for. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So as its name itself says, it's a style sheet. That means it is used for styling your web page. So what does styling actually means? Styling means you are making changes into a web pages. Let's say you have a text, so you want to color it. So we can use CSS. Color is just only a one attribute of CSS. There are many attributes that we will learn in the future tutorial. So today I will explain you how CSS is going to use in our web pages. And today we also will also learn about a color attribute. So CSS can be used in a web page in three ways. First is inline, second is internal, and third is external. Let's first see what is inline with an example. Say we have a text here. This is Rolly. Never mind. Okay, this is Rolly. Yeah, okay. Let's say you want to color it. So you can use an inline, not internal, inline attribute. In an inline attribute, what it does is the CSS includes an inline inside a tag. So for using CSS, we need to include a style attribute, style, then equal to, then inside this double quote, we need to write the color which you want to color the text. Let's say color color, then colon, then we need to write red. So this is known as inline because it is used inside a tag. Anything which is used inside a tag is known as inline. So why do we need an inline? Let's never mind the battery. We will continue the tutorial. Let's say if we want to specifically add a text color to specific text, so we can use inline here. So it will add text color to this paragraph only. So let's just save it and run. It's taking a bit time. Here it is, guys. As you can see, the text is red. So this is how inline is used. It is always used inside a tag. Now let's say you have many paragraphs here and you want to color all the paragraph. So you can't use inline because it will be a tedious job, because every time you need to color a text, you need to write a style, then color red. So what we can do? How can we color all the paragraphs or all the tags depending upon your choice? So we will use internal. So in internal, what it does is inside the head we need to write style. Then we need to include a closing tag as well, which is / and a style. Then the previous HTML5 we need to write type equal to text/CSS. Before the release of HTML5 we need to write the whole this, but now we just need to write style. So let it be here. So inside this style we need to write a specific tag, that is if we need to color P. So we can write here we need to color P, so write P. Then we need to use this bracket, curly bracket. Then inside this curly bracket we can write the attribute. Say what is the attribute color, which is color, then a colon, then whichever color you want. So I will write color, then blue. Okay, now let's make many paragraph here. Let's just copy it, just paste. Let's remove this inline CSS. Okay, let's just save it, go to our page and refresh it. It's not getting full color. This is because I have not written the syntax correctly. So right here pp. Okay, now to save it, again refresh the page. As you can see, the whole paragraph is been colored. So if you want one specific tag to be colored, you can use inline, and if you want many specific tags that is of same type, that is paragraph or h1, so you can use internal. Now we will study about what is external. Let's say you have many web pages. So if you want to color all the web pages, so every web pages you need to write the internal tag. This is also tedious job. So how can we color this? All the web pages. So we can use external. So what does the external does is external creates a additional pages, not additional page, additional file. This is our main file which is basic.html. So we will create a new file for only for the CSS. Let's for linking the file, this file with the CSS file, we need to use another attribute which is link, 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 then relation rel equal to, we need to write style sheet. Inside this double quotes we need to write style sheet, then we need to write hyperlink reference href equal to, inside this double quotes we need to write the name of the file, the CSS file. So first we will create a CSS file, go to new, first we will save it as we will write main dot main1, there is a main already, so I'll write main1.css, main1.css. Let's just save it. Now inside this we don't need to write the style attribute again, we can just write what we have written inside the internal. That is, we can directly write, I want to color the paragraph, so I will write p, inside this bracket, curly bracket, I will write what I want to do. Let's say color, I will color it yellow. Okay, let's just save it. Let's go to our main file which is basic.html. Inside this href we want to write the name of the file, that is a CSS file which is main1.css. Now just save it. Now let's see if it's working. Let's go to web page, let's refresh it. It's not working because link style sheet href. Let's just see, there's a mistake here. Style sheet href main.css. Oh, sorry, we need to include close tag as well. I just forgot it. Let's just save it. Again, refresh the page. It's not printing yellow color because I have used a padding. I just don't know, it's autocorrect, I guess that's why it just came padding. Don't worry, we'll learn about padding as well. For now, let's just let it be, it will be. So refresh the page again. This is how external style sheets works. Sorry for the trouble guys, I just used by mistakenly padding here. That was a mistake. And I guess this close tag is not compulsory. Let's just cancel it and save it and again refresh the page. Yeah, it's working. So the close tag is not compulsory. That's it for this tutorial guys. Today we have learned how is CSS actually used in our web pages, that is inline if you want to specifically make changes in a specific text, specific tag, and internal if you want to make changes for a whole group of tags, and external if you want to make changes for many web pages. So do you make use of external. Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe. Thank you.